Can we have the next question from the mic in front?
My name is Chandran. Good evening, Dr. Tun Mahathir. How are you, sir? And Dr. Zakir, how are you, sir? I have deep respect for you. I've heard you in the YouTube many a times, and I know who you are, sir. Okay. You said about the ratio of conversion. Dr. Zakir said India was ruled by Muslims for 1,000 years, and India is still Hindu. America and Europe may become Muslim countries because of you. But 1,000 Zakir Naik means up in Malay, no? Or 1,000 years from now, Hinduism will not turun, but will naik. For now, India will be Hindu, even for 1,000 more years. Even if the world is broken, up tomorrow, a Hindu will pray, Namah Shivaya. Thank you, sir.
The brother asked the question that I said America, many people accepting Islam, and if Muslims ruled India for 1,000 years, yet 80% are Hindus. Naik means up. That was trying to prove that Islam wasn't spread by the sword. That answer I give in context, that if Islam was spread by the sword, then the Muslims, when they ruled India for 1,000 years, they would have forced everyone to become Muslim. They did not do that. Regarding Hindu, brother, Hindu is a geographical definition for a person living in India. By definition, I am a Hindu. Hindu is a geographical definition, and I will remain a Hindu. It is not a religious definition. According to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the word Hindu did not appear in any of the Indian literatures until the Arabs came to India. This word Hindu was given by the Arabs. Hindu means living in the land of India. Even today when I go to Gulf countries, Saudi Arabia, they call me Hindi. Hindi means Indian. So Hindu is not a religious definition. It's a misnomer. Therefore Swami Vivekananda said that Hinduism is a misnomer. They should be called as Vedantist. So if you say Hindu, yes, India will be there, inshallah. And I'm proud to be an Indian. And the people living in India are called Hindu. It's a geographical definition. It is not a religious definition. Nowhere will you find in the Vedas, the Upanishad, the word Hindu. It all came after the Arabs gave this word. The right word should be Sanatar Dharma or should be Vedantist. So this word is a misnomer. So geographically I am a Hindu because I live in India and it will remain there. But as far as the religion, the fastest growing religion throughout the world today is Islam, not only in the Western world, even in the Eastern world. Throughout the world today, the fastest growing religion in the world is Islam. And inshallah, this religion will keep on spreading, as you said, Naik, going on top. I know that. Someone told me that. And in Sanskrit, Naik means a mujahid. It means a hero and means a mujahid. One should strive and I am a mujahid. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you.
Let me tell you about my happiness. I get my happiness from Islam. It makes me kind and a better human.